I was Inspector General of Prisons. Before that, I was a police officer for 20 years. So 20 years I'd been seeing crime happening. But I was already oriented towards crime prevention more alongside detection. And I had a habit as a police officer that if a criminal gets arrested, a person commits a crime, I would go to the police station that morning as a deputy commissioner of police to find out why did he commit a crime. I want to know where did we fail in policing. And I'd sent these people to prisons hoping that when they come out of the prison, they would not repeat a crime. But I noticed they were hardened after that. So as a police officer, I was a victim of failure of a prison system. And the first ward I entered was a women's prison with children. And I never realized there were so many children. 40, 50 children. And I felt so angered as a mother that here are children not going to school. What crime have they committed if the mothers are in crime? So believe me, I opened immediately a school inside the prison. I had no facilities, no infrastructure. So all the children, 8 o'clock, the bell would ring and they would do it. That's when India Vision Foundation was born.
नर्क और स्वर्ग सब यही होता है। ये जेल की सर खिड़की है ना, इस पे पास में बैठ के हम आसमान की तरफ देखते रोते रहते थे कि कब निकलेंगे यहाँ से। एक 4 दीवारी के अंदर हमें बंद करा हुआ था, यानी कि अगर इस बैरिक से भी बाहर निकलेंगे तो 4 दीवारी ही है सर। तो सपने थे हमारे वो टूट गए थे जेल में आने के बाद में। हमें कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि हम करेंगे क्या, हमारी लाइफ कैसे सर्वाइव होगी बाहर।
You can't control their lives, the conditions they are or the situation they are, but you can create an environment in a prison to bring hope in their life. When we saw the मुलाकात room, जिसको विजिटर रूम बोलते हैं, और जब हम यहाँ पर आए और सारी जेलों में विजिटर रूम्स ऐसे ही होते हैं कि लोहे के जाल होते हैं और उसके पीछे से आप लोग बात करते हैं। और जब मैंने वो फर्स्ट विजिटिंग हॉल देखा तो आई फेल्ट लाइक इट वाज लाइक अ फिश मार्केट। आफ्टर सीइंग दैट आई केम बैक टू द सुपरिटेंडेंट ऑफ द प्रिजन व्हिच वाज एट दैट टाइम मिस्टर हरिंदर सिंह। एंड मैं सर के पास आई और हमने सर को बोला कि सर मुलाकात बस ऐसे ही होती है क्या? एंड देन ही थॉट कि तिहाड़ प्रिजन में एक जेल के अंदर इंटरकॉम के थ्रू बात होती थी इससे पहले भी। सो मैंने सर को बोला कि सर क्या हम वो सिस्टम यहाँ पर लेकर आ सकते हैं? सो सर ने बोला ठीक है, I'll सर्च ऑन इट एंड वर्क इट आउट, एंड दैट्स हाउ इट वाज ट्रांसफॉर्म्ड। सो अब जब आप हमारा ये वीसी रूम जो गुड़गांव प्रिजन में है अगर आप देखेंगे, सो इट्स लाइक अ ग्लास रूम जहाँ पर एक साइड आपके फैमिली मेम्बर्स हैं और दूसरी तरफ इनमेट है, एंड दे आर टॉकिंग थ्रू एन इंटरकॉम, जहाँ पर वो बहुत आराम से बहुत तसल्ली से एक दूसरे की बात को समझ सकते हैं।
बदलाव तो है, हमारा काम यही रहता है कि बदलाव होना चाहिए। रूल में है कि भाई कोई भी आएगा उसका बेसिक चीजें मुलाकात की है, रोटी की है, दवाई की है, हॉस्पिटल की है, उनसे मिलने के लिए, ये बेसिक चीजें बहुत जरूरी होनी चाहिए। मेन वजह ये रहता है कि उसको हम चेंज करना चाहते हैं कैसी तरह, चाहे वो बंदी हो कैदी हो, कि वो कैसे किस तरीके से उनका क्या क्या और कर सकता है। पढ़ने के लिए भी हो सकता है, कुछ ना कुछ होता है। जिस तरह IVF का ये में सक्सेसफुल जो रहा, मेन यही रहा। ये नहीं होना चाहिए उसके सब कुछ नेगेटिव है उसकी दोबारा हमें करना चाहिए। पर असलियत में जो बदमाश है वो तो शायद 10% है, सिर्फ 10%।
के महल बनावे मन सपना के।
We through our programs provide a lot of vocational skill program, a lot of mental therapies and other things.
When in life you get so many opportunities, you get a position, you become in a position of power of influence. I was converting my power of influence for a larger good. And I had that. My purpose in life is always empower myself to empower others. And I identify what's my power and what can I transfer. I have no money to transfer, but I have time to transfer. I have thinking and mindset to transfer, values to transfer. So for me, this was a transfer of time and my value system, and it also gave me such a joy.
हम सबको चेंज नहीं कर सकते हम। जहाँ भी आपकी ड्यूटी हो उस जगह एक काम तो इतना अच्छा करना चाहिए, अलग से बिल्कुल लगना चाहिए कि एक काम तो।
थैंक यू सो मच मैम, मोनिका मैम, रवि सर के उन्होंने मुझे एक प्रोजेक्ट के लिए चुना। वहाँ पे एज ए प्रोजेक्ट कोऑर्डिनेटर मुझे वहाँ अपॉइंट किया गया और मेरे अंदर सुधार आया है तो उन्होंने एक्सेप्ट करा कि आप लोग और को भी सुधार सकते हैं।
So that's the journey, and we are very proud to say that we have alumni of 150 who are now working in various corporates, working as a nurse in various hospitals, have been self-employed, and not only become a bread earner but are also helping their parents who are released out to live a normal life. So that's how I can sum up that India Vision Foundation is really transforming lives.
Look, I'm an email user since the time I was posted to the United Nations in 2003. The first thing when I went to United Nations posting, I was given a BlackBerry and said, now you're connected to the rest of the world, because my job was peacekeeping around the world. So I've been internet user prior to that, but I became a total user from 2003 through 2020 plus now. So it's 2003 onwards. I'm a very big user and I became a lover. I think I became so intertwined with the internet because at night I was with Japan and in the morning I was elsewhere. So the whole 24 hours my BlackBerry would ring. So it was un.org. You see, I had an email called Kiran Bedi at un.org. And it was clearly that Kiran Bedi at org means service. So org means service. I was not a .com, I was a .org. So for me, internet is a lifeline today. It's united the world, it's made us all a global village. But I was a major user from the day one.
So website is always a window to any organization. How to share your work with outside world, because you can't bring everybody to the prison programs or to the project site where you are working. So with ORG, I think we have passed that due diligence and the credibility of being a part of ORG, and that showcase our work in a better way to the entire world.
We individuals who are gifted, who are privileged, who got influence, who got the power, the position, the capability, the capacity, skills, understanding, have to be givers in life. Otherwise, what is life? Life is a very selfish living. It's not worth it at all. Unless people like us become givers and sharers. And remember, not only money, it's also most precious is something which you can't buy, which is your time and energy.
So we are instilling hope, ummeed, khushi, a way to survive. That's what India Vision Foundation does.